Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mr. Jumpstart for the win here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $100 per day on Digistore24. Oh, and did I mention that you could do all this for free? Yes, that's right. It doesn't matter what your current budget is, your location, or your past failures, because this strategy is so simple that even if you're a total newbie starting from scratch, you could still get results using this method you're about to learn. However, in order for this to work, you just need to promise me one thing. Will you promise me that you'll take action with this information? Are you willing to set aside your limitations and step out of your comfort zone? And finally, are you willing to have a long-term vision and commit to learning the strategy? If you answered yes, then you have come to the right video. But again, in order to experience the best results possible, please watch this video all the way to the end and follow every step to the T. But hey, before we dive in, if you like videos about affiliate marketing and passive income, then definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. With all that out of the way, let's jumpstart your sales. Alright, so check this out. In this video, you're about to learn how to generate up to $90.22, or wait a minute, scratch that, up to $98.50 for every sale that you generate of this one product alone. Now imagine this for a minute. Imagine getting one sale every day, and that would already be nearly at a full-time income. Does that sound awesome to you or what? I don't know about you, but to me that sounds absolutely incredible. Now, the name of the product that we're going to be promoting in this video is called Profile Profit Machine. This right here is a training that shows you how to generate leads and sales using free Facebook traffic. So this is without having to spend money on Facebook ads or anything along those lines. And this shows you how to generate leads and sales with Facebook organic traffic. So when we check out the sales page right here, this is the sales page for Profile Profit Machine. This pretty much gives you pretty much all the details that you need of this exact program. This guy right here, Jordan Keys, is the creator of this program. And as you can see, he's got tons of engagement here, which obviously means that it's more people that he's getting in front of, which means that he's making more money, as you can see right here. So this shows his results. He has some testimonials down here. And of course, if you want to buy this program, it's a one-time payment of $197. Now again, every single sale that you generate of this exact offer right here will get you a 50% commission, which will be $98.50 for one single sale alone. So again, one sale of this is about $100 for this exact offer right here. But the question is, how exactly do you go about promoting this offer, and how exactly do you go about getting long-term consistent sales online, right? Because this is the number one thing that most new affiliates struggle with, is getting those long-term consistent sales online. So I want to ask you a question real quick. If you were to promote this offer right here about getting, leads and sales on Facebook, and it shows people how to increase their reach on Facebook, where do you think the target market is for this exact product? They're on Facebook, right? Well, of course, Facebook is, of course, the number one social media platform out there, and tons of people, tons of affiliate marketers, and tons of business owners are using Facebook to build up their following and, of course, sell products with this platform, right? So the benefit with Facebook is it's got about half the world's population now, I believe, on Facebook right now, and a lot of these people are looking for ways on how to get a better result with, any specific area, right? So Facebook is really kind of one of the best ways of building your business online. And when it comes to promoting affiliate products on Facebook, there's really two ways of going about it. And I'm going to show you both ways. So the first thing that you could do to get more leads and sales with Facebook is having a really nice cover photo right here. So what you should ideally be doing if you were to market on Facebook is you want to be building up a following on Facebook. So you want to be building up your friends list. The more friends that you have in your list, that's of course more people that you ideally get in front of. And when people check out your Facebook profile, the first thing that they will see when they check out your profile is this cover photo right here, right? So, you want to have something kind of like this, where it kind of explains what you're all about, what you are looking to offer to them. And when they click, on this profile right here, which is like, click here to join, this right here takes us to the next step in Maggie's funnel right here. So in this case, she is leading people to her Facebook group that she's building called Limitless Business Rebels. And this is her group that she's building up where she's providing more value. She's building up her audience right here. And these are people, the people that are inside of this group, they are much more interested in, potentially buying whatever it is that she is selling in here, right? So she's got, cool pictures that she shares, some videos or, motivational stuff. She does Facebook Lives in here, which is always a good thing. And of course, she is primarily focusing on leading with value, right? So the people that are inside of this group, they are much more likely to buy whatever it is that she is, perhaps selling. And this is how you get more leads and sales with Facebook right here. So you could either do this with a Facebook page or Facebook group, or what you could do is, instead of leading people to a Facebook group or page, what you could do is you could build up your email list and you could provide a free lead magnet, right? So this could either be in the form of a PDF report, it could be a free ebook, or it could even be a free video training series, right? And, using either, free ebook, free video training series, or free PDF, you could provide some sort of value on the front end before you sell the software, right? Because let's face it, if you were to sell this product right here for $197 and you just, put in your affiliate link, right here, most people, you'd be lucky if like 0.5% of those people bought right then and there on the front end, right? So ideally what you'd want to do is you'd want to focus on adding value first. And this way, when you, of course, gain that trust with your audience, they're much more likely to check out whatever it is that you're recommending on the back end, right? So the majority of people who try and market anything online, they're always looking to make a quick buck online. They'll spam their links all over the place. They never aim to build up an audience. They never really care about helping other people. They just want to get a quick buck for themselves. And you as the affiliate, if you really want to be in business long term and you really want to get those long-term consistent results, you want to operate differently than what majority of these people are doing, right? So again, you can provide something on the front end for free, PDF report, ebook, video training series, and you might be wondering, well, how exactly do I go about, building my email list, and how do I provide a lead magnet? How do I set this all up, right? Well, you could use a email autoresponder such as Aweber. This is the one that I use currently. And what's really cool about Aweber is they just recently launched a new free plan. So with this new free plan, you could have anywhere from 0 to 500 subscribers completely for free. And these are people that once they get onto your email list, you could then market to them over and over and over again. So you could send them back to the offer at any point. You could provide them with more value. And the more consistent that you are with, providing value with them, the more they're going to trust you, right? So you could have up to 500 subscribers. You could send up to 3,000 emails per month. And what's really cool is you could build out your own landing pages too. So that's another thing you could do as well, right? So when it comes to creating a lead magnet, you might think, well, what if I'm completely brand new and I don't really know exactly how to go about creating, like a video training series, right? Well, what you could always do is, depending on what you're marketing, if you're marketing this exact product right here, what you would ideally want to do is you'd want to provide some sort of value on the front end for free. And if you're completely brand new and you don't really know exactly what to offer, what you could always do is you can go on Google or go on YouTube and search up how to build a following on Facebook, learn some, tips like, okay, you could do a video about how to create high quality shareable content. Then your next video might be how to invite Facebook friends to the business page, how to use business cards to share your Facebook page. And each of these bullet points right here could be different videos that you create. They could be short, 2 to 5 minute videos that you create where you provide a little bit of value on the front end. And then at the end of the video, you want to say, if you want to learn more about how to do all this stuff step by step, and you really want to learn how to create a full-time income with Facebook organic traffic, all you have to do is click on the button down below, and that will take you over to the #1 recommended program that will show you step by step how to build a following on Facebook, right? So by building something like this out and providing with some sort of value on the front end, you are going to have a massive advantage over majority people who are trying to market online, right? So this is how you differentiate yourself from the masses out there, and this is how you really get those long-term results. Now, the other way of marketing on Facebook and getting, sales using Facebook is with Facebook groups, right? So in my case, what I did is I searched up affiliate marketing, because that's kind of the niche that this product is in right here. And depending on what you decide to market, there's various different niches you could look into, right? So whatever niche your product is into, you just type that into here, and then you want to find groups that are related to that specific niche, right? So here is a group by the name of Affiliate Marketing for Everyone, and this right here is a group that has nearly 200,000 people that you can market to pretty much right then and there, right? So imagine this for a minute. You're getting in front of 176,000 people that are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing. So these are people that will be interested in wanting to learn more about how to market on Facebook, because a lot of these people inside of these groups are not doing so well. In fact, if we go in this group right here, you'll find that there are a ton of people who just like to, for the most part, hide behind faceless profiles, spam links, and expect to make a quick buck online, right? So these people right here who just spam links, they never succeed with anything long term. They're never making any sales, and that's because they're always looking for that quick buck online. They're not helping other people. They're not providing any sort of value. They're just spamming links and expecting to make a quick buck online. So if you were to join any of these groups, what you want to do instead is you want to focus on with leading with value, right? And what you could do is you can create a post and you could share something that you've learned, share some information for free, provide some tips. Maybe if you want, you could even do something like a Facebook Live. So you click on live video, you could do a Facebook Live if you want to, and share some things there. Or what you could even do is you could interact with other posts and, write, fun and engaging comments, right? So, for example, never depend on one income. Okay, so you could, engage with that if you want to. This is a YouTuber that I've been following for a while named Jade Choi. How's it going, Jade? You could interact with this, post right here, and you could write something like, awesome video, something like that. And by doing this consistently, this is what's going to allow you to really kind of build up that following, right? So as you are engaging with posts, as you're creating content in here, a lot of people, if they see that you're adding value, they will naturally check out your profile. And if they see that you have something like this, like a Facebook page, or even what you could do is you could have, like more posts here where you share value, you give call to actions, like this right here. And anyone who, of course, checks out your profile, this is essentially more people that will check out your offer that you're recommending. And it's more people that will see exactly what you have to offer, right? So by doing this consistently, by focusing on adding value and by, leading with value on the front end before you try and sell anything, this is what's going to allow you to really stand out in the long term and really get you those massive, consistent results. So hope you got lots of value in this video, but if you want to learn more about how to do all this stuff step by step, I do have a free training that I'm going to invite you to check out. So the very first link down below will give you access to this training right here. And this is my free 4-day training that goes over more in depth about how to build a highly profitable business online by selling other people's products. So all you have to do to get access to this is simply enter your first name, your email, click on the button, and from there you'll get instant access to my free 4-day training. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.